Hi there. So I'm Ashton Hess. Presenting my final project for web dev. And I made a live cryptocurrency dashboard and also a live portfolio value dashboard. And I did this using main frameworks were Svelte and then the Pancake charting library. And I also did it on Docker. So right now, just running it locally. See, there's nothing running there. And then I'm just going to start up the Docker container, come back over here, and then this is the home page. This is just a small description of what's going on here. So I just decided to call it CoinView. So if we come over here to coin prices, this is where we're going to have the live charts of the cryptocurrency prices. And we'll just go there real quick. And now these take a minute to load up. They're connecting to the Binance exchange. They have WebSocket streams that are free to use. And once it starts loading in, it just starts live updating. And then I've also got the ability to hover over this. And that's using just like basically the closest point that the cursor position is to. And then it displays the latest price up at the top. And then as you can see, some of them are faster than the others loading in. And that's pretty much it for the dashboard. They just load in the live prices. There goes Cardano. I guess this is trade by trade data. So like Bitcoin has a lot more trades than say Cardano and Dogecoin on Binance. And that's why that one was loading in slower. So next part of the project was the portfolio. And for this part, users can log in and with their username, and they're going to provide with the amount of cryptocurrencies they own. And then this is going to give us a live view of the total dollar worth of their portfolio. So this data is being put into a MongoDB server. Right now, it's just empty, just for demonstration purposes. And once I come over here, I'm just going to type my name in, and I'll just give myself, I'll just do 10, 10, 100, and then a bunch of those. And now once I press submit, this is going to be saved in the MongoDB database. And that's going to be saved. So when the same user comes back, there's my username at top. So I'm logged in. When the same user comes back, they're going to be able to log in and have their portfolio saved. So this chart takes a quick second to load up. It's just got to get a lot of data before it can start plotting the points. And then this is the live value of all of the inputted cryptocurrency values. Yep, so there you can see it's saved in the MongoDB, the username, and then these values. And then if you take the price of all these values, it's just doing this in real time and multiplying it by the current price of these four cryptocurrencies. And then it's displaying this, it just on the chart, just X is time and Y is the current portfolio value. So I guess it's coming down a little bit right now. Lost like what, $300 or so. And then, yeah, this is the live portfolio value of those inputted values of these values. And that's pretty much my project. So just the dashboard and then the live portfolio value. And I use the main framework I used was Svelte, mainly because of these charting libraries. They're like super customizable, like all of these XY ticks are completely customizable. The grid lines, these are SVG lines, so they're very like resizable and such. And they can do it quickly. And it's not too much of a drag to run these with a ton of points coming in, because on the coin prices, you had points coming in a lot slower than on this chart, because this chart at every single point that comes in on all four of those graphs, it's calculating a new XY point to put on this chart and also this portfolio value. So once you get a ton of points on this chart, it starts to slow down a bit. but that can always be thinned out if necessary. But yeah, that's my project. And thank you.